Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the fastest racket sport on the planet, badminton, a game where feathers defy gravity, reflexes reign supreme, and every rally is a heart-pounding duel. Whether you're a casual player or an aspiring pro, this is your ultimate guide to badminton's thrills, rules, and global passion. At its core, badminton is purely simplicity. Two rackets, one shuttlecock, and a net. But don't let that fool you. This sport packs a punch. Play it solo for a test of stamina or team up for double chaos. No court? No problem. Badminton thrives anywhere. Your backyard, a parking lot, or a world-class arena. The goal? Keep the shuttlecock flying and make sure it drops on their side, not yours. Scoring in badminton is brutally fair. No second chances, no do-overs. If that shuttlecock hits on the floor on your opponent's side, you score instantly. But here's the catch. The same rule applies to you. One wrong move, 1 millimeter out of bounds, and boom, your opponent takes the lead. It's a game of precision where every shot is a gamble and every point is earned. Now let's talk pro play. This isn't your weekend backyard game. Pros battle on regulated courts 44 feet long, 20 feet wide. With nets tensioned to perfection, their weapons, feather-light rackets and shuttlecocks, crafted from 16 goose feathers. And overseeing it all, a team of certified experts, umpires, line judges, and tournament managers. These pros ensures every serve, smash, and score is flawless. Umpires are the ultimate decision makers. Their word is law. Line judges, they've got eyes like hawks tracking shuttlecock's landings down to the millimeter. Behind the scenes, tournament managers orchestrate the chaos, ensuring matches run smoother than a Swiss watch. Without these experts, badminton's lightning-fast action would grind to a halt. So why badminton? Because it's universal. Kids, grandparents, Olympians, anyone can play. It's a workout disguised as fun. A mental chess match played at warp speed. From Tokyo to Toronto, badminton bridges cultures and sparks joy. Whether you're chasing glory or just laughing with friends, this sport reminds us sometimes the simplest games are the most extraordinary. Ready to grab a racket? Let's rally!
So hello. So this time, this is the basic badminton equipment. And first, why is it important to have badminton equipment? Equipment is needed in a badminton because it allows the game to be played properly, safely, fairly, and the basic tools such as the racket, shuttlecock, net, to make it possible to follow the official rules of these sports. While standardized court makings ensure that all players complete under the same condition. So overall, having the right badminton equipment enhances the quality of play, supports skill development, and ensure the enjoyable and safe experience for everyone. So first, we have the badminton racket. It is usually lightweight, 70 to 100 grams, made of carbon fiber, aluminum or graphite, includes the frame, strings, grip, and the shaft. And the next equipment is the shuttlecock. There are two types, which is the feathered shuttlecock, used in professional game, made from goose or duck feathers, and then the plastic or nylon shuttlecock, used for training or recreational play. And then the third one, we have the badminton net, the most important, which is the net have a height 1.55 meter at the edges and then 1.524 meter at the center. Then the standard length, which is 6.1 meter wide. Next, we have the badminton court. Can be indoor or outdoor. Marked lines for singles and doubles. Standard dimensions, which is 13.4 meter long by 6.1 meter wide. And next, we have the additional equipment for playing. So this is like the essential, which is the badminton shoes for non-making soles, provide grip stability and ankle support. So there's specific shoes for badminton. And then we have the grip tape for better hold and absorb sweat. Like types, we have the towel grip, synthetic grip, and over grip. And lastly, the most I would like to say most, since this is important, which is the racket bag. This is the time or stores rackets, shoes, or accessories, protects equipment from damage. So without the racket bag, you can't put your things there. So it is important to have a racket bag so that you will place your things inside the racket bag. So that's all for me. Thank you.
So good day everyone, I'll be discussing the playing area in badminton. The badminton court is a flat rectangular area measuring 13.4 meter long and 6.1 meter wide for doubles and 5.18 meter wide for singles. It has clear boundary lines and is divided by a net that is 1.55 meter high at the post and 1.524 meter at the center. The court markings include service line, center line, and side lines for singles and doubles. These measurements follow official BWF. And yeah, so the playing area refers the entire court where the game happens. It is a rectangular court that follows official measurements set by the Badminton World Federation. So man siya ang BWF, Badminton World Federation. So the court is divided into two equal sides by a net, and it has marked lines that show the boundaries for singles and doubles, as well as the service area. So these markings helps players know if the shuttle is in or out during a game. So overall, the playing area ensures fair play and proper gameplay in badminton. And that's all. Thank you.